Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by checking prerequisites and launching the process now. Open Settings, right arrow Windows Update, and install pending updates so the companion app works reliably. On your phone, install your phone companion Android or open link to Windows iPhone, then sign into the same Microsoft account you use on Windows 11. Enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on both devices. Once done, open the Your Phone app on Windows and choose Add a Device to begin pairing. Now continue by pairing and giving the app the permissions it needs. In the Your Phone app, choose Phone and then Add a Device. Scan the QR code from the phone app or use Bluetooth pairing. On the phone, accept prompts for camera, contacts, storage, and notifications so file transfer, screen mirroring, and calls work. Make sure both devices show a connected status in your phone app settings. If prompted, enable background, app refresh so messages and notifications stay synced. Finish by verifying functionality and learning a key fix. Test calls, send messages, and open recent photos directly from the Your Phone app to confirm everything is working. If something fails, restart both devices first and reopen the apps. That fixes most flaky links. Make sure the phone app still has the required permissions and reauthorize if needed. If problems persist, check Windows Firewall Network profile, toggle Bluetooth off and on, and remove, then repair the device to force a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.